We're Denise and Reed, and after 3 years of full-time travel in our van, we are on a mission to finally make it to Canada. But before we get there, we have to make a pit stop in one of our favorite cities, Seattle. We have just found a parking spot. Keep in mind that you are definitely gonna have to pay. Luckily, a lot of the places we're going to go in the city right now are places that you can walk to from Pikes, because it's kind of a central area.
If you come downtown at peak hours, it's $4 an hour instead of $1 an hour if you come on off-peak times. Before we head to Pike's Place, we thought we'd stop and get a beer here at Cloudburst Brewery.
We couldn't help ourselves. This place was right across from where we parked. It was kind of a no-brainer. That one's mine. It is a busy day out here. There are a lot of people, a lot of hustle and bustle.
This is the longest running farmers market in all of America. Since 1907, consumers have been able to buy straight from the source.
Come and catch me, baby.
There's only 2 purchases we absolutely have to make here at Pikes. Can you guess what they might be? I bet you can guess why our essential buy here at Pikes Market is bubblegum. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Time to put the gum in. Okay, this is gross, but it has to be done. I gotta find the perfect place.
This is much bigger than I thought it would be. It's way better than San Luis Obispo. That one was just dingy and dark. It's deflating.
We definitely both need to wash our hands now. I'm feeling kind of gross. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. It just spans this entire alleyway. There are so many people here too. It's very popular.
What's up? Yeah.
He's having a good time. Yeah, this is something I think it's worth a visit, but it's also, you know.
Oh no, it's got gum on my shoe.
Yeah, there's gum on my shoes. It's also kind of gross.
This lady dropped her ID earlier. She dropped her driver's license, and all her friends were like, "Oh, that's disgusting." Yeah, definitely maybe wear some old shoes when you come here because it's a little sticky.
Now there is one more thing we have to buy while we're here. Let's go. Got him. This was our second necessary buy. Rainier cherries, baby.
Best cherries on earth.
Last time when we were here, we ate at this place, Pierogi. It was incredible. It was flaky, delicious, bready, goodness. I want to eat there again, but we have somewhere we want to eat so badly. If you are at Pikes Market, definitely check out Pierogi. We're gonna head to the Space Needle. We were going to walk, but we're gonna drive instead. 6-minute drive, let's go. I have never been as close as we're gonna get to the Space Needle before, so we knew it was just a must.
Facts about the Space Needle: it was built in 1962. Over 1 million people each year visit it, and it is 605 feet tall. Wow!
I'm not gonna lie to you, I am at peak hunger right now. I am so hungry that I can barely speak straight. I need to eat.
The first time we ever came here, we got lunch, and the sandwich was so good, I turned around and we came back and got food 2 hours later.
We have eaten here every time we've come to Seattle, and we've never been disappointed. We are coming here for dinner today, but their brunch menu is amazing as well. Food montage right here. Are these raspberries? Should we eat it?
No, they're not ripe. This is definitely a family-friendly park, as well as a great park to take your pooch. Bella's loving it out here. There's a lot of scents and a lot of room to roam. To the lighthouse. Got our first glimpses of the Olympic Peninsula across the Puget Sound, and then we also can see Rainier from here. Dogs are not allowed on the beach.
I might run out there just to get a few shots and just to get my feet in the sand for a sec. It is seriously low tide right now. There's nothing like getting to the beach and just taking off your shoes. There's a lot of seaweed that I'm trying to avoid. I absolutely love tide pools. Growing up, my family would take road trips out to California, and I remember adoring them. Being able to see starfish and these small ecosystems that you could get really up close and personal with was something that I just absolutely loved. See a whole different side of the beach. Discovery Beach, the one we're at, is a great option. Okay, that was fun, but now it's time to go find Reed. I've been out here for a while.
No seals today. The tide is way too low.
It is so hard to leave this incredible park. You could be here for half a day. We are headed to our next destination. There's so much else that we want to show you in the city. Let's keep moving. We have been at the Fremont Fair for a couple hours now, and I almost forgot to pick up the camera. My apologies. This is for the summer solstice, and it's absolutely incredible. We have seen a lot of wonky, wild things that I don't even think I can express. There's a lot of good food here. There are activities going on. We have met some authors. And on top of that, yesterday, if we would have come, there was a naked parade. Great thing about Seattle is that there are a lot of festivals and fairs like this that happen. Regardless of when you come, you should check out the events that are happening. We have officially left the Summer Solstice Festival. So much fun.
We have this massive hill to climb to get back, but the festival was so worth it. It's amazing, great vendors, cool taste, like keep Austin weird or keep Portland weird. Like definitely this event was like keep Seattle weird vibes. Over and out.
See you next time. Good morning, everybody. Reed and I are just hours away from crossing the border. We're in Canada! We made it!
Canada!
Bella!
Hey! Hey, I'm gonna learn some French. Let's get after it, see what Canada's all about. Also, side note, Canada's flag is so cool.